Good morning, students. We have already learned about the chapter, The Talkative Turtle, and today we will write the notes, textbook parts and workbook parts for this chapter. For that, all of you open your textbook and in page number 24. Open page number 24. Okay. Write T for true and F for false statements. The turtle had two rabbits as his good friends. Is this statement true or false? Yes, you're right. It is a false statement. Right? The turtle had two swans as his good friends. Right? So this statement is wrong. So we have to give false here. Right? Now, the swans flew far and wide in search of a lake. Is this statement right? Yes, this statement is true. So, shall we put here T? Okay. Now, third question. The people of the village were staring at the sight of two swans carrying a turtle in the sky. Yes, this statement is also true. Why? Because the people of the village stare to see the two swans carrying the turtle, right? So give T here and see the next question. As soon as Tulu opened his mouth, he fell down. Is this statement right? Yes, it is true. When Tulu opened his mouth, what happened? He fell down. So give T here. Okay. Now, the question answers we have written in the classwork, right? Students, in the diary, in the dictionary, the words are listed in alphabetical order, right? So, the letter B will comes after what? Yes, first the letter A will comes and B comes after the letter A, right? First, what letter is there first? Yes, A, and the B comes after, right? Like that, every letter is arranged according to alphabetical order, A, B, C order, okay? Pick out words from the pond in alphabetical order and place them in cloud on the right. See here, this is the cloud. From here we have to pick out the words according to alphabetical order or dictionary order. Okay, see, first one, any A letter word here? No. B? Yes, B letter word we can see. See, balloon. So write down balloon spelling here. BALLOON, balloon. Next, C. Yes, here, cake. Write down fast. CAKE, cake. D, no, E, F, fish. Write down. FISH, fish. Any G letter word? Yes, here, girl. GIRL, girl. G after. H, no, I, J, K. Yes, here one K letter word, right? Kite, write down. KITE, kite. Then L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S. Yes, two words are here. No? So we have to see the second letter. Second letter here K and here T. So which letter will come first? K will come first. So shall we write this word? Sky. Okay, write sky here. SKY, sky. Then star. ST A-R star. Next, S after T. Any T letter word? Yes, here, table. T-A-B-L-E, table. T after. Yes, one word remained, right? That is water. Shall we write here water spelling? Okay, W-A-T-E-R, water. Now see, write each set of words in alphabetical order. So, we have to write these words in alphabetical order. So, see here, any A word? No. B, yes, buffalo. Write down. B-U-F-F-A-L-O, buffalo. Next, C, yes, cow. C-O-W, cow. Any D? Yes, D here, deer. So, write down deer. D-E-E-R, deer. Then one remind. What is that? Horse. So, write here. H-O-R-S-E, horse. Okay. Next, see. Yes, the first letter. Yes, hibiscus. See? H. H-I-B-I-S-C-U-S. Hibiscus. H after. I-J-K-L. Lily. Write down. L-I-L-Y. Lily. Okay. Next. L-M. Marigold. M-A-R-I-G-O-L-D. Okay. Then one remind. What is that? That is rose. Write down. R-O-S-E, rose. Now, here, A letter word is apple. Write down. A-P-P-L-E, apple. Next, B letter word is banana. Write down banana spelling. B-A-N-A-N-A, banana. Next, banana after. C-D-E-F-G-H-I-J-K-L. Next, O letter, right? Orange. Write down. O-R-A-N-G-E, orange. Then one remind, that is strawberry. So shall we write strawberry spelling here? Yes. S-T-R-A-W, strawberry. B-E-R-R-Y. Finished. Now see the next. What is the first letter here? Yes, the first letter is crow. So write down crow. Next. Yes, kingfisher, right? Write down kingfisher spelling. K-I-N-G-F-I-S-H-E-R. Kingfisher. Next, K after. Yes, parrot, right? So write down parrot spelling. P-A-R-R-O-T, parrot. Then next one remind, what is that? Sparrow. So write the spelling of sparrow here. S-P-A-R-R-O-W, sparrow. Okay, students. Now, when we add S to any words, a new word will come, right? See here, span, pan. We added S. So, span, a new word we got, right? Next, see, pin. We added S. So, we got a new word. A new word is formed. That is spin. Like that, add an S at the beginning of each words. Say the words aloud. So, like this, we added S at the beginning of these words and we got or we formed a new word, right? So like that, we have to add S and we have to create a new word. Okay, students, see here, first one is done for you, star. You have to put S here. Next, yes, repeat, star. Repeat, students. Yes, star. Next, stone. Next, stone. Write the spelling of stone. S-T-O-N-E, stone. Okay. Then see here, add S and we got a new word, S-O-N, sun. Okay, repeat, S-O-N, sun. Next, S-A-T, sat. Write down, S-A-T, sat. Next again put S. S-P-I-T, spit. S-P-I-T, spit. Next, yes, add S. S-K-I-T, skit. Next, yes, S-L-O-W, slow. S-L-O-W, slow. Next, sharp. S-H-A-R-P, sharp. Next, add S. S-H-I-P, ship. Okay, very easy. Now, nouns like apple, ears, etc. can be counted, right? So, the nouns which can be counted are called countable nouns. For example, apples, eggs, then pencil, eraser, table, bench. These are all nouns that can be counted. And the nouns which cannot be counted are called uncountable nouns. So what is an uncountable noun? Nouns which cannot be counted are called uncountable nouns. Okay, students, see the examples. Rice, wheat, oil. These are all examples for uncountable nouns. Okay. Now turn the next page. Below is a list of items your mother is going to buy. Write down which countable C and which are uncountable UC nouns. So, these are the list of the items that your mother is going to buy from the market. So, in this list we have to find out what are countable nouns and what are uncountable nouns. Okay. See students, oil. Can we count oil? No, we can't count. So, we have to write UC, uncountable. Okay. Next, candles. Can we count candles? Yes, we can count candles. So, write C. Next, banana. Can we count banana? Yes, we can. So, write C. Cheese. Can we count cheese? No, we can't. So, you have to write uncountable, UC. Next, grapes. Can we count grapes? Yes, we can. So, this is countable noun. Next, sugar. Can we count sugar? No, we can't. So, we have to write UC, means uncountable. Next, wheat. Can we count wheat? No, we can't count. So, we have to write uncountable. Next, pickle. Can we count pickle? No, we can't count pickle. So, we have to write uncountable. Next, bread. Can we count bread? No, we can't count bread. So, we have to write uncountable. Next, mango. Can we count mango? Yes, we can. So, we have to write countable. Okay. Students, do you know how can we change the singular into plural? Yes, you are right. We have to add S, then ES, CH, IES, VES to the end of the word and we will get a singular to plural, right? Now see here students, write the plural or singular forms. So for singular we have to write the plural and for plural we have to write the singular. Okay students? See the first question. Tail. Tail is a singular or plural? It is a singular. So we have to write the plural form for this. Okay, we have to add s, tails. Okay, tails. Now see girl. For girl we have to add s and form a new word. girls, girls. Next, babies. Babies, singular or plural? Yes, it is a plural word. So we have to write the singular word. Singular word is baby. Only one. B-A-B-Y, baby. Next, mango. Mango is a singular or plural? Yes, it is a singular noun. So we have to write the plural for this. MANGOES, mangoes. Okay. Now see bush. Bush is a singular or plural? It is a singular. We have to write the plural form. BUSHES, bushes. Next, lunch. Lunch is a singular or plural? It is a singular. We have to write the plural form. LUNCHES, lunches. Okay. Next, potatoes. Potatoes is a singular or plural? Yes, you are right. It is a plural form. Plural noun. So we have to write the singular form. POTATOE, potato. Okay. Next, lady. Lady is a singular or plural form? It is a singular. We have to write this into plural. How can we write? LADIES, ladies. Okay. And now see here. What are the things we can see, students? We can see a bucket and the two children are playing with the sand, and one boy is holding a bell. What is this? A ball, and a dolphin is gliding. A boy is also playing in the water, and one boy is sitting under the tree, and many things we can see in this picture, right? And now number these sentences in the correct order. So this number is not in the correct order. We have to give the correct numbering for this. Okay, see here. First one, Tulu and the swans were good friends. See? What is the first answer here? Okay, students, read out. The swans find an alternate lake. The people of the town feast on Tulu. Tulu and swans were good friends. The swans carry Tulu with the help of a stick. The lake in which Tulu lived started to dry. Tulu opened his mouth to speak. Tulu falls to the earth. So what is the first number we can give? The first one is what? Yes, see, Tulu and swans were good friends. So give number 1 here. Okay. Next, see, the lake in which Tulu lived started to dry. This is the second. Yes, second. Okay, let's give the number here. Number 2 and number 3. What will come after this? This is number, yes, 2. See, fifth one. The lake in which Tulu lived started to dry. This is the second point. Okay. And the third one. Yes, see, number 1. The swans find an alternate lake. This is the third one. So give number 3 here. And next, fourth point, where? See here, the swans carry Tulu with the help of a stick. This is number 4. Okay. And number 5. Number 5. Where is number 5, students? Find out. Yes, number 5 here. Tulu opened his mouth to speak. This is number 5. Okay. And number 6. Yes, number 6 is Tulu falls to the earth. This is number 6. Okay. And here one number we missed. Which one we missed? See. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And 7th one we missed. Right? See. 7th one what? Here. The people of the town feast on Tulu. Right? This is number 7. Okay. So first point, what? See here. Tulu and swans were good friends. Next, the lake in which Tulu lived started to dry. The swans find an alternate lake. 3rd one. And 4th one, Tulu falls on the earth. 4th one. The swans carry Tulu with the help of a stick. This is 4th one. And 5th one is Tulu opened his mouth to speak. That is 5th one. And 6th one. 6th one is number 7. Tulu falls on the earth. Okay. And now we have to open your workbook part. Okay. Here we completed the textbook part. And you please open your workbook part, students. Now we will write workbook part. Okay. Open your workbook parts. Page number 13. Page number 13. Look at the exercise J. Tick the correct meanings. Okay, we have to give the correct meanings for these blanks. The people of the town were dashed at the sight of 2 swans carrying a turtle in the sky. Yes, the people of the town staring, right? So this is the answer. So give tick mark. Okay. Sunset. People used to dash for a long time. Oh, during sunset, the people, what they will do? Yes, they will come out and gossip, right? So this is the answer. So give tick mark for gossip. Next, the people of a town caught him and made a dash out of him. What they done? They feast, right? So give tick mark to feast. Tulu held the stick, dash with his mouth. How did he held the stick? Yes, firmly, right? Yes, give tick mark to firmly. Next, 1 year the dash failed and there was no rain. What failed? Monsoon. So give tick mark to monsoon. Okay. Unscramble the letters to get right word. So see, the spellings are not in the right way. The word we can't even pronounce. So we have to write the correct order. Okay. And we will get a word. So what is this? Can you tell? Yes, this is Turtle, turtle. So write down Turtle, turtle. Next, what is this? SWANS, swans. Okay. SWANS, swans. Next, what is this? Shall we write here? Okay. G-O-S-S-I-P, gossip. G-O-S-S-I-P, gossip. Next, M-O-U-T-H, mouth. M-O-U-T-H, mouth. Next, see. What is this? E-S. No. S-P-E-A-K, speak. S-P-E-A-K, speak. Okay. What is these, students? F-E-A-S-T, feast. Okay. F-E-A-S-T, feast. Now, see here, circle the correct word. Request spelling, can you tell? R-E-Q-U-E-S-T, right? Where it is? The correct spelling is here. R-E-Q-U-E-S-T. Circle it. Now, staring spelling, S-T-A-R-I-G. Where? The correct spelling is here. This is correct. So, circle it. Now, monsoon, M-O-N-S-O-O-N. Here the right spelling. Okay, monsoon. And now write opposites to the following words. What is the opposite word for dry? Do you know? Yes, we know. Wet, right? W-E-T, wet. Now, strong, weak, right? W-E-A-K, weak. Okay. Next, wide, narrow. N-A-R-R-O-W, narrow. Far, near. Far, near. Firmly, loosely. L-O-O-S-E-L-Y, loosely. Okay. Students, with this we completed the workbook part also. And see here, this all you have to copy from your textbook. Okay, write neatly and send to me in the WhatsApp group. Have a nice day.